Hi, I'm Colin Brister from ImageMX Photography. In this video I'm just going to go over a new product on the market. I've just produced, after 10 years of using spikes, a couple of ground spikes for you to use with your lighting or camera stands. They come in two sizes, the 12-inch and the 24 inches available, all fully extendable. The main body is made out of steel. The extension rod is aluminium to try and keep the weight down. Very simple to use. As most of you know, I tend to cover motorsports photography, so I'm forever moving around the track and needed a quick and easy option to get my lighting into position. This was the simplest way. I can just run up to a piece of ground I want, screw her in, and then I'm ready to go. So what I tend to do is I keep one of my lights fixed on the lamps at all times. Just using the clamp that comes with the lamps. As you can see, I've got the 600 behind me and this is a little Pica 200. What I tend to do is just loosen off the body clamp itself into the ground, couple twists, and even in hard ground at the moment it still drives in. That's the idea of the spiral, and then from there I can get her into whatever position I want and I'm ready to go. Another little feature on the stand is, which I've been using for my macro and nature photography, is by using the adapter that we sell on the website. You can then fix a ball nose to the top, which gives you a great camera rest. Again, it's fully movable, stays where you are. Again, holds up to the 600 lenses and shorter stand, so if you want to shoot ground level, great little accessory. Again, very compact to carry around, either in your pocket or in your camera bag.